And so there is another definition for wet. It's water.
No.
If you have water in your hair, you have wetness in your hair.
Yes, but water.
But water itself
You can't
is
put
not.
water on water and
make it
the water more wet.
Yes.
You can put wetness onto water and you have the same thing. I'm not saying that it has changed the physical properties. I'm saying that it by definition is wetness. Wetness is water.
Okay, but
Yes,
water's not wet.
but water is not wet. Water is
You're
wetness,
missing the
but
point
water's
here.
not wet.
Water is wet because water by definition is wet.
You're adding more water.
Yeah, but you can't make water more wet than it already is because it's already the same amount of wetness that it could
But you
be,
said
but
that
it's
it's
not
wet.
wet.
You just said that it's wet.
Anything that is water based, if I throw milk at you and you have milk in your hair, you still have wetness in your hair
Okay.
because it is water based. Anything water based is wet.
Okay, wet, the definition of wet is covered or saturated with water or another liquid.
Well, no, water is the only
Water's
liquid
covering
that can
itself.
give other things like wet, like
Water is the only liquid.
I'm saying water is the only like liquid
Water
that can
is
make
a
other
state of
things
being.
wet.
There is solid, gaseous, and liquid states, all of which are water. If you want to freeze milk and put it in the freezer, it still is a variation of water. Water is wet because by definition, it is wet.
No, it just makes other things wet.
It doesn't make
Yes.
other things wet.
Yes,
it
it
is
does.
wet.
No, it's not. That's what we're
Oh
saying.
my gosh, it makes things wet. If I pour water on that
Okay,
paper, it will be wet.
Let's say
It has water on it, doesn't it?
there was
Yes,
just
yeah.
Okay.
Therefore, it's wet.
Right.
Right.
the paper is wet.
But water
not the
is
water.
If you
It's
pour,
not wet.
if I pour water into that, it has water in it. It also has wetness in it because the two words are synonymous. They are the same thing.
Let's assume there's water floating around in space, okay?
But because there's no temperature, it takes on a different form, which
Well,
would
let's
be
just
ice.
assume that there's water.
There is water floating in space. It's called ice.
But is ice wet?
Yeah.
Is ice wet? Is ice
Yes, because ice is a different form of water.
No,
But
but
it's
ice
not.
isn't
It
wet.
doesn't feel wet. It
Ice is not wet because ice does not have water in it.
But water is not wet, so
You're getting destroyed. Ashley.
Water is wet because it is a different. It is the same thing. It is the same name.
Water makes things wet.
water makes other things wet.
Yes. It can make itself wet.
You can pour water on this table and you can say there is wetness on the table. You can also say there is water on the table because the two words are the
No,
same
you're using
thing.
no. You can't just be like there's wetness on the table.
Sure you can.
Just, you can't
You
use
have
that
wetness
against-
in your
no.
hair.
Okay, you can't use that
Or
to
like if
define
someone-
to say that water is wet. That's not a valid definition. You're wrong.
Why is that not a valid definition?
Because
Because it damages my argument.
I can't.
Water by itself is not like
You're just saying wetness is water, and it's the same like the word.
Okay, water
We're
by
talking
itself,
about
touching
the properties of
nothing
water.
else.
Yeah.
Are we talking gaseous, liquid, or solid?
water.
Sure, all of them.
Water
Okay.
just by itself touching nothing else.
If you have wetness in your hair,
Isn't-
if I pour Kool-Aid in your hair and you step outside,
Wet.
it's going to
Water on
freeze
top of
in
something.
inclement weather.
Okay.
yeah, but
If
you
I pour
can't-
water in your
no.
hair, it does the same
Water
thing
molecule
because
on
both of
water
them
molecules,
are
water covering
wet.
something else.
Both of them are water-based.
Oh!
Water is wet because
my
water and
gosh.
wetness are synonymous. They are the same word.
No, Kate. What trash? Jack. I thought you were on our side. Logan.
Oh my god,
Eat it,
we
just
just
got
argue
it.
about whatever we want. I was in this class before you were.
Stupid because it is the same word. Why are we arguing?
Eden just got
So now that I
destroyed.
Yeah, I really did, but like, I'm not about to admit it.
He just did.
Exactly. Yep.
Shut up, Mark.
Okay, so it's like water by itself teaching anything else.
Wow, there's water teaching me.
Logan Brooks in class. Is she taking this class?
Eden, what are you doing?
So,
No, I
I'm gonna
didn't.
get her on the
Yes,
subject
I
of
stated my
a
point and I
chicken.
agree, so.
Did the egg come first or the chicken come
Put that
first?
dish on
She's
Twitter.
very good at the egg.
Wait, Sadie, can I see
Put that
that?
dish on Twitter.